Slightly different video. I'm going to be doing a few of these on Friday nights. I like to look through my auction site, have a look at some listings as featured on the screen now. Basically, this is a wholesale, untested, raw returns, so they could be anything from anywhere. That's an example of the description you get, but all of them will say untested. So I purchased some, and this is the invoice for it. I've removed some details, and let's see how it goes. Got my invoice ready for when I get there. Got a bit of room and can just load up. Nearly arrived at the auction place. This one is in Handforth, and it looks really busy today. I tried to book an appointment online to pick up, and there was no appointments left. Loads of people waiting. I think I'm just gonna wait outside till some of these get done. I've arrived a bit early as well. I'm just gonna let some of these get out of the way, and then we'll wait for the next ones. Right, so we're loaded up. On the face of it, it's not too bad. Boxed aircon unit is boxed in what appears to be the original container. Looks like it has been wheeled around a little bit because the wheels have something on them. The picture of a tent that was advertised as the tray is in fact a trolley with trays in. Got some trays. One of them appears to be a little bit cracked, but I think it looks okay. They were like 65 quid. Paid less than that for it. Aircon unit was 36. These retail at 450. So we'll get them back and see what we can do with them.
So you guys were in New Zealand. The expectations are pretty high.
Just on the way back home now. Got the 2 items. Hoping that the tray trolley is all complete. I'll put that together, and then if they retail at 65, I'll probably do that 45 or 50. So I've still made money on that. I can't disassemble it and sort of put it back together to post it out. I'm wondering if that's the best thing to do, so I might build it, take a picture, then dismantle it again, put it back in the packaging so that it can be posted out. The aircon unit is in the box and the outer box as well, so if we get that going, hopefully we will do, again we can send that on eBay or we can post it. That's what I did with the last one. I actually went to Devon or somewhere, I think, so it is going to sell much better if it's not just collection only. Got about 15 minutes to get home, have some breakfast, and then we'll unpack and see what we've got. Okay, so the aircon looked as if it was working okay. It wasn't cooling properly. The pipework had a leak on it. It had gone all over the condenser, and the condenser and motor were getting hot. So we had to strip it, take the good parts out of it, which I struggled to get. So I know there is a market for them, but it's not things that's going to sell immediately. I've managed to list all of those on eBay, and I put the trolley together. Only one cracked tray, sorry, 2 cracked trays and a couple of knobs missing, so I've put that on Facebook Marketplace. So I will put listings in the description so that you can check out the items. Thanks very much for watching it. Another one coming soon.